Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Thursday afternoon weather webcast from March 27th, 2014. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Have a lot to get to. The next 48 hours are going to look pretty different in the Wiregrass from what we've seen here the last couple of days, from cold to sunny, nice and warm for today, but things are going to be changing by tomorrow. Friday and Saturday look like rainy and maybe stormy days in the Wiregrass. So let's get right to it. First, we'll show you what went on today in the Wiregrass. Temperatures got cool in some parts of the area. 34 in Abbeville, 36 in Blakely. Those were the cooler spots. They saw less cloud cover there than most other folks did. Most everybody else stayed in the low 40s and upper 30s. Some milder temperatures down near the coast, but that's to be expected with the moderation of the water over there. Okay, the clouds moved in late last night, stuck around early this morning. We have seen some breaks in those clouds today, and most of that green on the radar image not hitting the ground early this morning. There was still a lot of dry air in the low levels of the atmosphere, so none of that moisture made it to the ground, but the atmosphere is starting to moisten up. So anything that we see, any moisture in the upper levels and the mid levels of the atmosphere that will be making its way through the Wiregrass the next couple of days will be falling as rain, and we could see some storms too. We'll talk about that in a second. Temperatures now in the upper 60s, middle 60s, and 70s. 70 in Panama City, Donaldsonville, 71 in Andalusia, 70 in Crestview, but everybody else hanging around in those middle and upper 60s. And the southeast has now started to warm back up from the very short-lived cool down. Still cold in the northeast, the upper Midwest, and also out west in the Rockies region. However, things around here will get milder. Temperatures will be going up, but also our rain chances will be going up with the next couple of systems that will be moving in. And these are upper level features, very zonal flow in the mid levels of the atmosphere. So not a whole lot of big troughs that will be moving in like we saw last week with a big trough that dipped down, caused a lot of rain, and then cooled us down. However, we do have little short waves, little perturbations in the atmosphere. I like that word. Just little disturbances in the upper atmosphere that cause rainfall and can cause some stormy weather. And that's what we're going to see here over the next 48 hours through Saturday afternoon. It's going to be very, very unsettled around here. So the futurecast, very, very important. A lot of cloud cover for tonight. We'll see a mostly cloudy sky. Then watch this batch of showers and thunderstorms for Friday morning. Kind of a linear cluster of storms. I think it starts to break up as it heads toward the Wiregrass. I think we'll see a fair amount of rain, but no severe weather with any of this and no organized thunderstorm threat. We will hear some thunder, though, for Friday morning and early afternoon. Then by Friday afternoon, late afternoon, as the morning or the afternoon commute commences, we'll still see some more showers and thunderstorms. I think most of the heavier rain will stay down south in the Florida Panhandle and down off the coast. This is a little bit farther north than some of our previous models had the rain and the heavier shower activity for Friday. But no break. We could see a little break Friday night into Saturday, but by Saturday morning, more showers move in, and I think this will be the heavier rainfall event for folks here in southeast Alabama and southwest Georgia. Plenty of rainfall also in the Florida Panhandle, but everyone getting in on some pretty heavy weather. This is where we could see some thunderstorms develop. Not expecting any severe weather, but that could change. There could be an isolated chance of a strong to severe thunderstorm on Saturday morning. We'll keep you posted as we get closer. We'll have a better idea later on tonight. And then I think we'll see scattered showers for the rest of Saturday, but clearing out by Saturday night. It should be a nice Saturday evening going into Sunday, where temperatures warm up and conditions get a whole lot better. There's your future rainfall. Yeah, we could be in for a lot of it, 2 to 4 inches, and in some spots higher, 5 inches on our futurecast rainfall gauge. So a lot to think about. This is obviously going to change. This is not going to be the hard and fast rainfall amounts that we'll see. This is just an idea. I'm thinking more 2 to 3 inches with the change pattern that we've had over the last 24 hours, a much different scene than what we were looking at yesterday. So more chances of rain for Friday, and we're going to hold on to our really good rain chances on Saturday morning. By Saturday night, things start to get better, and the rest of the weekend on Sunday and the start of next week on Monday look a whole lot better. So umbrellas out, and get ready for some pretty nasty weather here Friday and Saturday. If you have any questions about the webcast, the afternoon weather webcast, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. This will be on YouTube, Google+, Twitter, and Facebook here momentarily, probably by 2:30 or so. And your feedback is always welcome. This is more of a in-depth forecast than the nuts and bolts, highs and lows for the day, so keep that in mind. And hopefully everyone enjoys their Thursday, because things are going to get a lot more gloomy around here for Friday and Saturday. But we need the rain heading into one of the drier type seasons for us, the early and middle of spring, not a real robust rainfall time of year for this side of the country. So we'll be looking for more rain in the future. And hopefully we can avoid the thunderstorms and possibly the severe weather threat. And we'll be signing off now. We'll see you on Friday.